Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to hyperlink text on Reddit. So for both posts and for comments. First of all, I'll make a post. Create a media post. And tutorial. Please visit this Reddit video tutorial playlist. The Reddit video tutorial playlist is now. What I'm going to do, my friends, is go to my YouTube channel and find that playlist, video tutorial playlist that I was looking for. Go to the playlist section. So here I'll look for the Reddit tutorial playlist. Too many playlists, but view full playlist. Copy it. And what I'm going to do is highlight this text, then click this chain button. The text bar is already filled, so I'll just paste in the link, insert it. This is a clickable link, and now I'll just post it. Here it is, my friends. Now I'm going to show you what happens if I click this link. The playlist will automatically be generated. Let's wait, my friends. Whole playlist is generated. Now, my friends, what I'm going to do is go to this post. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. What I'm going to do is go over here, copy the channel link, similar YouTube channel. I'll highlight this text, and here I'll click this link button, paste it, insert it, and paste the comment. Now I'll just open this up. This is my YouTube channel, my friends. So my friends, I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification for future updates. Thanks for watching, my friends.